Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm Kathy. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we're going to be doing a body weight workout. It's going to be 10 sets in about 10 minutes. And if that isn't enough, I invite you to try to add on parts 7 and 9, which are also body weight workouts in my series. I've included the links in the description below this video. That'll give you 20 or 30 minutes of high intensity workouts that will leave you feeling invigorated the rest of the day. For now, please be sure to consult your doctor before you start any physical activity. And when you're ready, let's get it on. All right, we're gonna start with reverse lunges followed by 2 knee raises. So let me show it to you first. Reverse lunge, knee raise, reverse lunge. Let's talk about form. All right, my eyes are looking straight ahead. Shoulders are rolled down and back. Spine is relaxed. We're not gonna arch our back. We're not gonna lean forward. When we come back into that reverse lunge, we're going to be close to 90 degrees back there. Our knees don't have to touch the floor, the back knee. The front knee is going to not go in front of that front toe. All right, let's go for it. Ready? Knee raise, left knee raise, reverse. Knee raise, reverse. Right knee, left knee, reverse. Keep it going, y'all. Keep breathing, reverse. Knee raise, reverse. All right. Watch that form. Keep the spine straight. Very nice. Do a few more. Knee raise, reverse. Knee raise, reverse. One more on each side. Knee raise, and reverse. Very nice. All right, our next exercise is going to be one leg bent over row. So I'm going to stand feet together. I'm going to pick up one foot. So I'm going to pick up my left foot. I'm going to make sure I'm balanced first, and then I'm going to come down in a row. You might be wobbly, and I'm surely going to fall more than once, but I'm just going to pick myself up and keep on going. Ready? We're going to do 5 on each side. The other thing is hold your core in. That'll help you with your balance. All right, here we go. This is 2. Get your balance. Pick up that foot. Once you're balanced, like I'm not, then come on down. That's 3. Let's go on for 4. Pick it up. It's 4. And we'll do one more on this side. Whoop. I didn't have my balance. Let's try that again. Balance. Whoa. Okay. Let's do that one more time. Balance. Here we go. All right. Now I can go to the other side. Pick up my right foot. And there we go. You might find that one side is more balanced or easier to do than the other. Let's see if that's the case today for me. That's 2. Let's go for 3. Let's go for 4. Woo! All right, gotta do that one over. Can't do it. My right side is more balanced than my left today. Still can't do it. I got 2 more, y'all. All right, that's good. One more. Okay, there we go. All right, I cannot wait to show you my next exercise. If you've seen part 7 and 9, you'll see that I did burpees and reverse burpees. Today we're going to combine them. So I'm going to start with the reverse burpee. I'm going to get on the mat with the reverse burpee. And then instead of coming up, I'm going to plank. And that's 1. All right, if you don't have a mat or if you don't have something soft to land on and you don't want your back coming down on the hard floor, then let's modify it. The modification is a plank and squat. Plank and squat. All right, so kind of like a burpee. All right, let's go for 10. Ready? Reverse. Plank. That's 1. Reverse. And plank. That's 2. Reverse. Plank. That's 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Woo! All right, we did it, y'all. Okay, let's come down in a plank position. Feet are wide, about shoulder distance apart. Once you have your balance and once I catch my breath, we're gonna take that left hand up to the right shoulder, right hand up to the left shoulder. Now, our hips are gonna naturally wanna come up, but let's not do this. Let's try to keep the hips down, facing the floor as much as possible. Nice and square. Here we go. Right shoulder, left shoulder. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, almost there, 3, 2, and last one. Come on down. Quick breather. Woo! All right. Let's come on up again. Last exercise before halftime, y'all. Okay, we're back in our plank position. We're going to do mountain climbers. Right knee up, left knee up. Right knee, left knee. Right knee, left knee. Let's speed it up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last 10, y'all. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo! All right, we're at halftime. If I can catch my breath, I want to talk to you for a minute. If the sets get to be too hard, please modify or put me on pause. You know I'll be here when you get back. Or if they're too easy and you're like, hey Kat, I can do 20 more of those burpees. Please do. This is your time. Customize it how you see fit. I'm just happy you're here working out with me. Whew. Let me catch my breath and let's go back to those reverse burpees followed by the 2 knee raises. Ready? I'm going to start with my left leg this time. Left knee back, knee raise, right knee back. Knee raise, left knee back, knee raise, right knee back. Keep it going. Reverse. Knee raise, reverse. Knee raise, reverse. Knee raise, reverse. Few more on each side. Knee raise, reverse. Keep that going. Last one on this side. All right, you ready for those one leg bent over rows? All right, I'm gonna start with my right leg this time. See if I can be a little bit more balanced than last time. Here we go. Lift up one foot and bend down. And that's 1. We're gonna do 5 on each side. Go at your own pace. All right. Woo, almost. Let's go for 2. There we go. I have to concentrate there for a minute. This is my 3, 4, and last one on this side. Going to my left foot. You ready? All right, how are you guys doing? Hopefully you're more balanced than I am today. This is 3 for me. 4, and let's go for the last one. All right, we're done with that one, let's do our reverse burpee followed by the front burpee. Let's go for 10. Ready? Jump up. And don't forget your modification. You don't have to do this particular exercise. This is 2, 3, 4, plank it, 5, 6, halfway there, 7, 8, almost done, y'all. 9, and last one. Woo! Okay, all right, let's go into that plank position and do our shoulder touches. Remember to keep the hip down as much as you can. Here we go. Ready? Let's go for 20. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, keep those hips down. 7, keep breathing. 9, and 10. We got this, halfway there. 12, 13, 14. Yes. 5 more. 4 more. 3 more. 2 more. Last one. Come down for a quick breather. Come back up again. 30 mountain climbers. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Halfway there. 6, 7, 8, 9. Last 10. 9, 8, 7, 6. Almost there. 4, 3, 2, and 1. We did it. Whew, we did it, you guys. All right, that was fun. Thank you so much for working out with me. I'm feeling, energetic now. Have a wonderful day. And as always, be well.